Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of changing the cover image of a private list on X. If you've ever wanted to customize your lists and give them a fresh new look, this updated tutorial will help you do just that. The first thing you'll want to do is open the X app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account that has the private list you'd like to update. Once you're in, look at the navigation menu and tap on Lists. This is where all of your lists, both public and private, are stored. From here, scroll through your lists and select the private list you want to change. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be taken to the list's main page, where you can see all of its settings and details. Next, look for the edit icon. It's usually displayed as a small pencil-shaped symbol. Tap on it, and this will allow you to begin making changes to your list's settings, including the cover image. Now, to actually replace the image, select the camera icon that appears at the top of the screen. This will give you the option to upload a new image straight from your device. Choose a picture that represents your list well, whether it's a personal photo, a graphic, or something that just feels right for the theme of your list. Once you've picked your image, adjust it if necessary, and then tap Apply. This saves your new cover and updates your list's look instantly. Now, whenever you open that private list, you'll see the updated cover image right at the top. That's all there is to it. Customizing your private lists on X with a unique cover image not only makes them easier to identify, but also adds a personal touch to the way you organize content. It's a quick update, but one that makes your lists stand out. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to put these steps into action and give your private lists the fresh new design they deserve.